everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Vaishnavi and you are watching Wonders of Creations. First of all, thanks a lot for clicking on this video. So for today's video, I will be suggesting you some gifts that you can give to your brother on this Raksha Bandhan. As Raksha Bandhan is around the corner, so I decided to make this a video. In this video, I will be talking about those gifts that you can give to your brother on this Raksha Bandhan. As per the rule, your brother should gift you. But let's break the rule and gift our brother with some amazing gifts. And I have also made a similar video in the month of Jan where I discussed about customized gifts that you can give to your loved ones. It might be your mother, father, brother, sister, cousin, sibling, whoever might be. Those gifts are something really amazing that I found really amazing. I will link that video down below in the description box if you haven't checked it yet. Do check that out after this video. So now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. In this video, I'm not going to tell about one certain gift idea. I will be giving multiple different ideas that you can give to your brother based on their age. Like for example, if your brother is like in between 6 to 10 years old, what sort of gifts would be best for him? Or if your brother is like in between 26 to 25, what kind of gifts you can actually gift him? So based on their age, I will be giving some different gift ideas based on my research. I have actually asked few boys that what kind of gifts do you guys really love to receive, and these were like what they told me. And if you guys have some amazing gift ideas, then do let me know in the comment section. शायद वो मुझे next year काम आ जाए. So yeah, so let's get started. Well, if your brother's age is from 22 to 26, then things you can gift him is like perfumes, beauty care, skin care, hair care. Not only girls, even boys are super conscious about their hair, skin. So there are many brands that actually works for men's grooming kit, or there are many brands that actually works for men's skin care. I will link a few products in the description box. If your brother into skin care or beauty care, then definitely do check them out. Definitely that gonna work for them. And apart from, like, I will also give you some examples, like you can give him a hair mask or face mask or some face wash and all. So yeah, let's move into our next idea. If your brother's age is in between 18 to 22, you can gift him things like electrical gadgets, or you can gift him things like tripod. I mean, these days girls and boys, everyone are interested in content creating. There are many platforms where people create many content videos. So you can gift them a mini tripod, or you can give them a small ring light, or something that is useful when they create content. So I will link few in the description box which are under 500 rupees, which are under budget. If you have a pretty good budget, you can give them some electrical gadgets like pods, Bluetooth, or some other electrical gadgets. I will also link them in the description box. So if your budget is really very low, then you can gift him the subscription, which is a monthly subscription of Disney Hotstar, Prime Music, Netflix and all. Apart from that, you can also gift him some vouchers or coupon cards where he can shop. Apart from that, if your brother plays PUBG, then you can give them Royal Pass. This is not a great idea, but if your brothers love playing PUBG and at the same time he is good at his academics, then you can gift him Royal Passes. By the way, I'm not suggesting it, it's totally up to you. If your brother is really good at studies, academics, he do everything good, he manage things, then you can gift him the Royal Passage, or else don't give him, you're spoiling him, okay? So well, if your brother's age is from 16 to 18, the best thing you can gift him is wallets. Yes, what you have heard is right, because at this age they really want a wallet. By this time they will complete their 10th and they will move to their class 11th. So यहाँ पे they will receive some money and their pocket money as every month, so they need a wallet. And I have seen many boys using their old wallet for many years. So many boys of age 25, 26, 30 using the same old wallet. Whenever I ask them, they say that their first wallet is a very lucky wallet and they never change that. So if your brother's age is in between 16 to 18, then gift him the wallet. I will link some wallets in the description box. If your brother's age is in between this, just go and get that. Don't think twice. So apart from wallets, you can also gift him some electrical gadgets like some earpods, headsets, headphones. So next, when it comes to academics, giving them books is a best thing. When it comes to academics, by this time they will be in class 11th or 12th. Obviously ye time pe they need books, so you can give them some previous year question bank book where they can solve multiple questions. For example, if your brother's main subject is physics, chemistry, maths or biology, then gift him a previous year question bank book. I will link them down in the description box. Definitely check them out and definitely give them. This will be most helpful thing for your brother. As I'm a science student, I know what kind of books they really need, so I will link them down in the description box. If your brother is into commerce or some other subjects, then I will ask my friends and I will link them down in the description box. You can blindly go with that. And if your brother is if your brother's main subject is physics, chemistry, then you can give him a subscription of Physics Wala or an academy, because physics is the most toughest subject for most of the students. So that will be very helpful if you give him yearly pack of subscription of Physics Wala or an academy or Vedantu. Next, if your brother's age is between 12 to 16, give them some toys, cards or play cards like Uno cards, or you can Uno cards. Play with them. Definitely they're gonna love that. I will link few play cards in the description box. If you like, then you can do check them out. Next, if your brother is really small, then you can gift him some soft toys. Yes, what you have heard is exactly right. Not only girls, even boys love soft toys. Just gift them and see their reaction. उनको काफ़ी पसंद आने वाला है. And you can give them some clay dough, or you can give them slime, or you can give some different toys, soft toys. These okay, if his age is 8 plus 8, then you can gift him some clay dough or slime and all. So yeah, that's all for today's video. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Hope this video is helpful. If you think this video is helpful, then share this video with your friends and family. And give this video a thumbs up, or give this video a thumbs down if you don't like it. It's totally okay if you don't like this video. Definitely give this thumbs down if you don't like it. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Bye bye. See you in my next video.